Hi, this is Jason over at Northgate Ford Truck Center. Today we're taking you back to the 70s. What we have here is a retro F-150 built on a 302A package. Now this is a 2019 F-150. What we did here is a method 17-inch wheel on the brand new Maxxis tire. This gives you a 4-inch lift, nothing too crazy. What we're trying to do here is retro the Highboy from the 76. Got your chrome running boards here, you got your Black Horse light bar with also your halogen lights here on the top. Again, this is on a 302A package, which gives you heated seats. You can do a bench seat. You can also do a console in the middle if you'd like to. Remote start and Sync 3 with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Beautiful truck. The lift itself only about $12,000 upgrade, and you can customize it from there. We can do different colors on the truck and on the vinyl too as well. So if you like this truck or you want to take your truck back to the 70s, come visit us here at Northgate Ford or NorthgateFordCincinnati.com.